Okay, students, let's we continue 8th standard alpha numer puzzles. Yesterday we discussed some of the basic steps to how to write alpha numerals. So I show one example yesterday. Let's we recall that example and we again move on to the example number 2. So for example, 4a plus 98 is equal to answer is CB3. Again I repeat you, 4a plus 98 is equal to the answer is CB3. Let's we can find out A, B, C. So here have the step to follow to find out the numerals A, B, C. See, the step 1 says after adding a and 8, we get a number whose unit digit is 3. Look here, a plus 8, the unit digit is 3. So, after adding a and 8, we get a number whose unit digit is 3. That number should be 13. The possibility of a plus 8 is equal to 13 because in unit digit have 3. Unit place digit have 3. So a plus 8 is equal to 13, where a is equal to, we shift 8 to RHS, we get 13 minus 8, a is equal to 5. But it's not a final answer, just we can check this answer whether a is equal to 5 suits or not. When a is equal to 5 comes, when we are adding a plus 8 is equal to 13, we assume that a plus 8 is equal to 13. Let's we check. In the place of a we write 5 plus, in the put the box and write 5. So 5 plus 8 is 13, 1 is carry. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 plus 1. So we follow step 2. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is carry here. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to, we want to find out C and B. Want to find out C and B. So according to, when you take a is equal to 5, the answers, the C and B value comes 14 is equal to C and B. So B is equal to 4, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1, and C is equal to 1. So the answer is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1. So this type we have to solve alpha numerals for addition. Alpha. Now we find out C and B values. We can take approximate value to check by inspection method. So let's move on to the multiplication of alpha numerals, that is 1a multiplies a, the product is 9a. See, a and a is a repeating number, and product, in product unit digit also a. That means it is a repeating digit. For example, consider a is equal to 5. 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is 25. 25 unit digit number is 5. Like that problem, like that examples. For a into a is equal to a, so possibility value are, which are the possibility numbers are here? 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 5 and 6. Suppose we take 0 is equal to a. Suppose a is equal to 0 we take, means a and a are repeating numbers. So when we take 0 in is equal to a, 0 into 0 is equal to 0. But 0 into 0 is 0. but here in the 10th place have 9, in the 10th place have 9, it's not work. So 1, we take 1 into 1 is equal to 1, again in 10th place of product is 9, it's not work. Then we take 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, but in unit digit have a, the product unit digit have a, it will be same number. 2 into 2, that means it comes answer again 2, that means it will be suits, it not suits 2. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Let me check, its unit digit is 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25, unit digit is 5. But and check, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, again its unit digit is 6. Let me check by, okay, 2 knots work here. So these are the possibility numbers to apply on answers. For example, we take 0, 0 is not works, 0 not works. Again we take a 1 into 1, and 1 into 1 is 1, but you need 10 place have 9, again 1 also not work here. We take 5, 5 is a 25. Okay, I write in digit. For example, when we take 5, a is equal to 5, 25, 2 is carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Again, it's not comes. So 5 is also not work. Let me check for 6. So 16 into 6, 6 the 36. So 3 is carry, 6 the 36, 6, 3 is carry, 6 1 the 6 plus 3, 9. So it's works. So a value is, a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. So that type we can multiply the numbers, that type we can multiply alpha numerals. So we can continue in next class. Thank you.